Starting an LLC in New York is a great way to protect your personal assets and make your business official. In this video, I'll walk you through the steps so you can set up your LLC without stress. The first step is choosing a name for your LLC. Your business name must be unique and not already in use in New York. You can check name availability on the New York Department of State website. Remember, your name must include LLC or Limited Liability Company. Next, you'll need to file the Articles of Organization. In New York, this is done through the Department of State online or by mail, with a filing fee of $200. Once approved, your LLC is officially formed. After filing, New York requires you to publish a notice of your LLC formation in 2 local newspapers for 6 consecutive weeks. This can vary depending on your county, so be sure to check local requirements. After publication, you'll need to file a certificate of publication with the state. It's also a good idea to create an operating agreement. New York actually requires every LLC to have one, even if it's a single-member LLC. It helps outline how your business will run and how decisions will be made. Next, get an EIN from the IRS. It's free and necessary for taxes, banking, and hiring employees. And that's it. If this guide helped you understand how to start an LLC in New York, make sure to like this video and subscribe for more simple business tips.